Welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through the build of this belt sander jig. I built the jig out of leftover MDF boards, but it can be also done using plywood. First, I marked and cut the width of the board. I left enough space to be able to attach the walls of the jig later on. I also marked the position of the sander as a reference. I used the leftover piece I just cut out for the back wall of the jig. Then I marked and cut the other end. I used a bit of MDF here as a reference. That will be the thickness of the wall. On the other end, I measured the height of the sander and cut out a piece from the wall to be able to put a piece to hold the sander inside the jig. Then I screwed the back panel and the side panel to the bottom piece. On the other side panel, I marked the position of the cable and cut out this area using my jigsaw. Now I could go ahead and screw this to the bottom and back panel of the jig. Then I measured and cut a piece to hold tight the sander under the handle. I also cut the side panel to its final length and both of these pieces to the height of the sander. I realized that I needed to cut out an area for the fan of the sander, so I disassembled the jig and I made this cut with my jigsaw. I placed two small pieces of MDF under the handles on both sides to prevent the sander from shaking inside the jig. I cut the end piece off since I wanted to be able to use this jig in two positions. Then I marked and cut the shape of the belt on a piece that will be the table for the jig. I glued legs on each side and using the sander I sanded to its final shape. To make this piece removable, I made two sides, I screwed them to the table and using threaded inserts I attached the whole piece to the jig. I had to be careful while drilling the holes for the threaded inserts to don't damage the sander. I chose a safe area where the screws do not reach it. Lastly, I sanded the whole piece to make the joint nice and smooth. When I was done, I moved the jig into a standing position and I made another table in the same way. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Hit the bell notification to get notified when we upload the next one.